guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Jackie Aina. Oh, I can actually put my hands up because I shaved today. So today, I'm up close and personal because I'm gonna give you a Christmas spanking. I really wanted to do actually, I'm not even gonna call this a Christmas look. I'm gonna call this a holiday look. Not because I'm scared of the word Christmas. Okay, me and Christ, we are one. I wanted to do a look that you could use for New Year's, Hanukkah, you know, all of the above. So I'm gonna be doing that. In today's video, I've also partnered with Lancome to feature some of their new Life Proof collection products, which I've already used and featured on my channel anyway, so it's not like you don't know they exist. I'll be featuring the Longtime No Shine Powder, the Teint Idole Ultra Foundation, which I am going to be using with the Prep and Matte Primer. These two work phenomenal together, and it's one of my favorite combinations. And there's just no Teint Idole Ultra without the Prep and Matte. Like, what are you even doing? So yeah, that's pretty much it. You're going to be increasing your credit score by 75 points by watching this video and doing this look. And she's giving you beat. Girl, she's also giving you burn. I don't even want to talk about it. That's why I never curl my hair. Anyway, without further ado, if you like people who shave their armpits, and if you are a continuous viewer of the Jackie Aina videos, then you might as well join the Jackie Aina family and subscribe. I mean, let's be real. I'm probably all over your newsfeed because you keep coming back. So, you know, you help me and I help you. Okay, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you never miss new uploads. All right, let's get started. Shout out to Lancome for being the sponsor of this video. You the one, Lancome. So first we're gonna start with the Prep and Matte Primer. If you're looking for a primer that works for oily skin but doesn't dry her out and will still control oil, she's hired. She's the only one to get the job done. This, in my opinion, was the primer that Lancome needed. I think they had other okay primers, but this one is the one that's worked the best for me, especially with the Teint Idole primer. Just kind of smooths and blurs the skin really nice. And you guys know I'm a fan of like pairing the primer with the same brand, keeping it all in the family. Okay, there you go. As you guys know, I do like to put a translucent powder over my primer. I know a lot of you guys think I stopped doing it, but it's not that I stopped doing it. I just don't do it on camera as often as I used to because I feel like it gets a little redundant. But since we are featuring the Longtime No Shine powder in this video, I'm going to just do it again. Why not? There's actually two shades. There's one in deep, there's one in translucent. I'm gonna be using both of them today. So I'm gonna take a bit of deep to set my face before I apply foundation, just a little bit of it. Not only does this powder help with controlling shine, because I would hope that's what it do, because that's the name of it, but another one of the claims is that it preserves the color of the foundation, so you shouldn't have to worry about like the foundation oxidizing or turning a different color, or you know, you becoming the Grinch by noon. I think we're all collectively as a nation tired of that, okay? Put a stop to it, guys. And I know you're thinking, Jackie, why would you put on powder underneath foundation? You know why? Because it's translucent, it's super light, and it's not going to cake up the skin. You might as well not even be wearing anything at all because it's so sheer. Ugh, skin looks great already, but we're not done glowing up yet though. Next, I'm gonna take the Teint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation. I use the color 520 Suede W. I also sometimes use 510 Suede. Wait, did I say 520? Please hold while I transfer your call. Yes, 520, because I was thinking, how did I jump from 500 to 20? It's because I just remembered 510 is red tone. It's cool. 510C. She's the W, she's warm. So sometimes I use 520 like around the perimeter of my face and then 510 in the center. I'm not gonna do that today. I'm just gonna use 520. And in January, Teint Idole will be rolling out 45 shades, which apparently matches 99% of skin tones. That's a lot of people. I'm not gonna lie, I actually don't know a single person that does not have a shade in Teint Idole, so I don't know, I think that's pretty damn impressive. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Burn mark gone. Burn where? Edges snatched. Flight booked. Hotel Trivago. I'm actually gonna take a bit of that stick in 555C and use that as a contour. And I'm not gonna try to cover up that scar too much because I feel like she makes for a little bit of great forehead shaping. I think it'll blend right into the contour. So let me just let her do her thing. Let's take a little bit of Maybelline what's this called? Instant Age Rewind. See, look how the scar ended up working out. Look at you multitasking. I'm quite resourceful when it comes to flaws. Turn your hyperpigmentation scars into freckles. Look how I'm holding this brush. That's when you know I'm really taking this serious. Normally you do this. I have it just gripped in between my knuckles and I'm really fighting the good fight for this jawline and these cheekbones. I'm gonna set under eye with the translucent shade of the Longtime No Shine powder. This is my technique for flawless powder, okay? One dip in the jar, dust off, tap, and press, and press. And then just keep dabbing it in till it disappears, which it will. Look how she blended right in the family. Look, she walked right into Thanksgiving dinner with no felony records, no baby mama drama, nothing. Now I'm gonna go to the deep and use the butt of the beauty blender. Push this into mainly in the areas where I know the foundation is gonna have issues with movement. So around my smile lines, because I smile a lot, I lead a pretty happy life. I mean, then I'm also going to set my forehead, specifically that burn. Because we don't want the foundation that we put on top to like slip around. And when you have a burn, anybody who has a burn knows exactly what I'm talking about. But you know that texture where the foundation doesn't want to sit on top of it? Cream products, nothing wants to sit on top of the texture of a burn. So lots of powder helps to really get the product to stay in place and not move. And I'm gonna have my little collection pot of powder that I leave on the outer corners of my eyes for eyeshadow fallout. And I'm gonna set the center of my forehead. I'm gonna take this pressed powder from Milani in Earth Glow. You guys actually really like this as a bronzer on me, and I do too as well. I'm gonna go in with Colored Rain Squad, and Miss Squad is going right on my eyelid. We're gonna tap her on first, all around, inner to outer corner. This is like the perfect Christmas St. Nicholas elf color. It's perfect, it embodies Christmas. It's what the people want. So I really went deep with that squad. Now using tapping motions and a flat blending brush. This is the Makeup Shack T33. Shout out to Taylor McGay on Twitter for putting me onto Makeup Shack, girl. That girl stays blended, so whatever blending brush she tells me to use, I buy. I'm blending, but like I'm just not swishing. I'm just tapping, just tapping. Be patient, just keep tapping. I'm gonna move on to Level Up, Level Up, Level Up, Level Up, Level Up. This is more of a mossy green, whereas Squad was like a really, really deep green. This is another Colored Rain shadow. I'm gonna take this on a clean blending brush. I'm gonna start blending in my crease. Like really blow it out, do the most, go in, be extra sis, it's Christmas, why the hell not? Look at the precision here. I'm not even looking in my mirror, I'm looking at the monitor. Look at this, look at this, look at this, you see this? Look at this, look at this. Now Level Up, I'm gonna pop along my bottom lash line. Some black liner in that rim. Honestly, there's just something about adding a little bit of black eyeliner that really just, woo! A bit of the P. Louise base, I'm now gonna take and apply in the center of my lid. Here goes, here goes. Oh, so stunning. Going back to Squad, that really deep color, and I'm just gonna clean up around the edges, make sure it looks nice and blended, because we all know once you cut the crease, you can't just leave her stranded without a chaperone. I'm gonna take this pigment from Blush Tribe, and I just realized it doesn't have a name, but this color is absolutely stunning. I don't have anything like this color. I don't know why it looks straight up pink. I swear to you, that is the weirdest thing. In person, like to the untrained eye, it actually looks green. Let me try to swatch it and see if I can show you. That is so weird. Well, anyway, she's going on my lid. Whoa. I can't believe it really did that. It betrayed me. It's pink, man. Like, it's really pink. This duochrome madness is really just sorcery. Yeah, it's the lighting. It has to definitely be the lighting, because as soon as I shift it this way, it looks pink. But I swear to you, when I turn it against the light, it looks green. That is so weird. Like, she really not letting up at all. Anyway, it's gorgeous. Don't have the name because it came in a set, like a pack of like 5 or 6 of them, but it's gorgeous, and I will put y'all on. It's called Blush Tribe. And then instead of going back to Squad the dark color, I'm gonna go back to the lighter, more mossier green, and I'm gonna start popping that color around the edges of where we applied this pigment. Yo, my eyes really look 3D. Oh my God, oh my God. These pigments are just like really unique. I don't know why I'm sitting here acting like I've never discovered pigment. I have. They're just on a different level. Blush Tribe is clearly in 2025 because I'm so confused. So what I'm gonna do is pop our pigment right at the bottom lash line, only in the center, only there. Don't get carried away. This is a very Poison Ivy look. And honestly, this pigment is the star. We're gonna throw on Batty Beat Extra Lash and do other things like while the lash glue dries, as I normally do. You know, she likes to multitask. Pause real quick. I'm gonna take the Grandiose liner and just add a little cute wing tip. We're not gonna extend it too far out. Just a little slight wing, a little slight work. Okay, a little bit longer than planned, but it's cool, it's fine. It happens to the best of us. I'm gonna dust off all the excess powder. I'm gonna take a little bit of my Charlotte Tilbury Cheek Poppington Popper. Pop Diddy Pop. It's the Cheek to Chic in the color Pillow Talk. Cheers to the lash. Cheers. Yes, lash. I know I probably say this all the time, but y'all remember when I used to never wear falsies? In fact, like I used to hate them. I'm so glad they finally evolved into what they are now so that people like me can indulge in them. They were not always that cute, girl. They just were not a thing, at least not for me. I'm gonna take the Jelly Beam highlighter from Farsali in the color Glow It and just highlight a little bit with it. Even when you think it's dried down, keep blending. Don't be shy, sis. Also gonna pop a little bit of that in my inner tear duct. A beautiful crystal reflective shine bubble. It's what it is. It's exactly what it is. And people who say that every eyeshadow look does not need an inner corner highlight, don't listen to them. That's why nobody likes you or your mama. Snitch. Okay, so since this look went in a bit of a different direction, and I was expecting this to look a little more green, it's cool. I'm a detour. I'm gonna take the lip that I originally was gonna do in red. I'm gonna do it in pink instead. First, I'm gonna line my lips with Dahlia from ColourPop. I think this also would have looked gorge with like a hot orange. Oh, stunning. And then for my lips, I'm gonna apply Deep Orchid from McGrath, her matte trance lipsticks. Love this color. Definitely not my usual color, but I've been wearing it a lot more lately. Oh no, she says she hates this color pink, but I think she might be a fan now. I'm gonna take ABH Luna Lip Gloss. It's white, but it reflects kind of like a fun green. And I'm gonna pop that. Ooh, you might have just did something. I don't even know why I have the audacity of putting this straight on my lips knowing it's gonna stain the brush and the gloss. Am I stupid? The answer is yes. Or just maybe lazy. I don't know. You pick. Look what I did. I'm annoying. I hope it was worth it. Did you get the look? Did you get the engagement? Did you get the likes you wanted, Jackie? Anyway, that's the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is pretty much my last tutorial of the year. I hope it was worth it. I just want to say thank you to my mama. No, I'm just kidding. Real quick, shout out again to Lancome for sponsoring this video. And that's probably the last sponsored video of the year too. Oh my God, this is really happening. I really hope you guys had or have a wonderful holiday, wonderful Christmas, beautiful Hanukkah, amazing New Year, whenever or wherever you're watching this video. Just shout out to you. I'm gonna be in a different country by the time this goes live and I won't be filming pretty much for the next like 2 weeks. So I just wanted to say thank you guys for the continued support, including the brands that work with me, to the people who support the brands that work with me. It all means something. You mean something. You matter. You are important to me. I value the support you give me in this channel. I thank you so much for watching not only this video, but the 10 more you're gonna watch after this. I know you're gonna watch more. Go ahead, click it. And by the way, as you know, I'm gonna have all the products I use in today's video, including the Lancome goodies, in the description box. Copy, sis. You know you want to. Don't be shy.